I am a Muslim, the things I say, in everything I do every day. We are Muslims, the things we say, in everything we do every day. Ooh, Bismillah, ooh, Alhamdulillah, ooh, Bismillah, ooh, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I am a Muslim and this I know, I need to eat so that I will grow. We are Muslims and thus we know, we need to eat so that we will grow. When we eat we say Bismillah, when we full we say Alhamdulillah. When we eat we say Bismillah, when we full we say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Water, juice and milk, these I think are so delicious for me to drink. Water, juice and milk, these we think are so delicious for us to drink. When we drink we say Bismillah, when we're done we say Alhamdulillah. When we drink we say Bismillah, when we're done we say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Going out with my mom and dad, coming home, oh what fun we had. Going out with our mom and dad, coming home, oh what fun we had. Driving in the car, Bismillah, coming safely home, Alhamdulillah. Bismillah, 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 Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I go to sleep saying Allah's name, and in the morning I do the same. We go to sleep saying Allah's name, and in the morning we do the same. When we sleep we say Bismillah, when we rise we say Alhamdulillah.
Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah pagi hari ini SDT Binaa mengadakan agenda tahunan yaitu Cooking Day. Semua peserta diikuti dari anak kelas 1 sampai dengan kelas 6. Kebetulan di sini stand kelas 6. Hari ini kita membuat apa namanya? Nasi mut. Nasi mut itu adalah nasi simbiosis mutualisme. Maksudnya apa? Kita akan membuat kombinasi antara nasi, telur, dan ayam. Kenapa disebut nasi mut? Karena mereka ketiganya saling membutuhkan, saling menguntungkan. Ayam butuh nasi atau beras. Kemudian setelah mendapatkan beras, nasi, makanan, mereka akan bertelur. Telurnya bisa dingerami sehingga bisa menghasilkan ayam kembali, sehingga mereka akan berkesinambungan dalam hidupnya. Begitupun juga manusia membutuhkan nasi, makan ayam dan daging.
Halo guys, kita lagi ngaduk-ngaduk telur buat bikin telur dadar. Nanti ini udah ditambahin cabe, bawang, sama jahe. Kita kocok terus biar adonan telurnya jadi.
Water, juice and milk, these I think are so delicious for me to drink. Water, juice and milk, these we think are so delicious for us to drink. When we drink we say Bismillah, when we're done we say Alhamdulillah. When we drink we say Bismillah, when we're done we say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Going out with my mom and dad, coming home, oh what fun we had. Going out with our mom and dad, coming home, oh what fun we had. Driving in the car, Bismillah, coming safely home, Alhamdulillah. Bismillah, 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 Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I go to sleep saying Allah's name, and in the morning I do the same. We go to sleep saying Allah's name, and in the morning we do the same. When we sleep, we say Bismillah. When we rise, we say Alhamdulillah. When we sleep, we say Bismillah. When we rise, we say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. I am a Muslim, the things I say, in everything I do every day. We are Muslims, the things we say, in everything we do every day. Do 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 do, Bismillah. Do 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 do, Alhamdulillah. Do 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 do, Bismillah. Do 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 do, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.